In this video, we'll be showing you how you can add extra member into your Netflix account. First is to access netflix.com and then tap the display icon that you can see in their home screen, which is at the top right corner of the screen. Now go to the profile menu by tapping the account tab here. After tapping it, find the extra members. Once you see the extra members, you need to click the buy an extra member slot and then tap the start extra member. Now you have to input the details of this new member. So make sure that this are right, especially the email address. Then after doing it, tap the next button. The new user will receive a confirmation regarding it. Now select a profile for this new member, and then after doing it, just save it. And this is the success process of the adding your extra member. The extra member will now receive an invitation regarding the addition of the account into your Netflix. And that's it. That's how you can add an extra member into your Netflix. And thank you for listening.